Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and today is September 9th, and it's a warm day, about 88 degrees. And this is a yard. This house was a fixer-upper here about a year ago. The gentleman's been working on it really hard. So I had thatched this yard for him previously, and now I've came back and aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn here today. And I put on a wetting agent, and I just hit the sprinkler here for the client real quick. And I did the front and the backyard here, but I could just get access to the front here later on, I know that. So I'm shooting this video and we're gonna see what the heck happens here. This lawn looked like a missile testing place when I first started, and well, hopefully it'll look a lot better when I get done. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks, bye. Hello, my name is Stuart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And I was just driving down the street here, and there's a weather system coming in, so I'm moving kind of quick today here. This is a lawn that I had previously thatched, aerated, seeded, and fertilized. I ripped out as much of the old stuff as I could, you know, and I mean, I just went at it. And this was a dried up mess, okay? And I just want to show you how this lawn came back. And this yard was in terrible condition. I mean, it was just really thick, really bad grass. And I believe it was August I came in here and I thatched this yard really heavy. And the client knew the process that I was using. I had explained to the client. And just because so much stuff had to be ripped out of here, we wanted to do it when all that heavy stuff would be light and fluffy. It just dried out, and so I could get the maximum amount of stuff ripped out of here. You know, there's still some wider undesirable grasses that have been left, okay? But at the same time, I'd like to show you there's also an awful lot of brand new, really medium fine bladed grasses that just look beautiful. This yard has been greatly improved. I'm really happy with the work. And I explained to the client about maintenance on a lawn and how to take care of this lawn. The client had done a lot of work this year on this house. And this house was purchased 2 years ago. So it's really grown by leaps and bounds. And you can see he ties his dog up there in the front yard there. And once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. And thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. Bye-bye. Oh, and today's October 8th. Thank you. Bye.